So today I'm giving you a look at a 2-bedroom ocean view room at Oyster Bay Beach Resort in St. Maarten. The resort is located on the Dutch side of the island, and this tour starts at night because we actually landed in the evening. I wanted to film the room before we unpacked and truly moved in, so you could see everything clean, open, and exactly how it looks when you first walk in. I'll also show you daytime views later in the video because waking up to the ocean view is such a surprise to us. One of the things I loved most about this room was the full kitchen. Having this setup was incredibly helpful during our stay, especially traveling as a family. The finishes were really nice, and even something as simple as making coffee in the morning felt special. You generally feel like you're in the Caribbean, even when you're standing in the kitchen. There's a huge pantry, plenty of cabinet space, and all the appliances you need, including a large refrigerator, which made it easy to stock up for the week. They have a grocery store on site, and you can get all the details about this resort on my resort feature video on the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel. The main living area includes a 6-person dining table, which was perfect for meals together or just spreading out during breakfast. The living room has plenty of seating, and from here you can access both bedrooms as well as the main balcony. Off the main living area is the primary bedroom. The bathroom here is one of my favorite parts. It has 2 sinks, which I always appreciate, and a really nice spacious shower. Everything throughout the room was very clean, and housekeeping did a wonderful job during our stay. The bedroom itself has a large, comfortable bed. There's plenty of closet space, drawers, which I always appreciate when staying somewhere for more than a couple of nights. Right off the primary bedroom, there's access to the main balcony, and this is where the daytime views really shine. Waking up and making our morning coffee out here, looking at the ocean, was honestly one of my favorite parts of the stay. Seeing those views for the first time in daylight was completely unexpected after arriving the night before. The guest bedroom is located off the main living area and features another large bed with its own bathroom, which made it perfect for traveling with a kid. He absolutely loved having his own space. It made him feel like he was staying in his own little area. He loved that huge bed. It was really great for everyone. I'm showing you some daytime shots from the balcony here so you can really take in the ocean views, the light, and the overall atmosphere of this resort. It's such a peaceful place to stay the day, and it really set the tone for a relaxing time. So that was our stay in a 2-bedroom ocean view room at Oyster Bay Beach Resort. As a foodie, I have several other videos on this resort, including dining options and some of my food reviews of the brunch. Since I was invited to check out the food scene here, it's really in depth. If you browse the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel, you'll find plenty of family-friendly and foodie-friendly guides for St. Maarten and beyond. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.